Hello guys, this is Madhav here, and in this video I will be showing you a simple trick to make websites load faster in your PC. First I will show you how to do that, and then I will talk about how it works. So here we go. What we are actually doing is that we are changing our DNS servers to that of Google's. Here's how it works. When you type in the link for a website, your PC sends a request to your ISP server to download the data of the website. The server then downloads the data and sends it back to your PC. These servers may be slow and badly maintained and may result in longer time to send the data. So we change the server to that of Google's. Now our PC's request goes to Google's powerful servers and it downloads the data and sends it back within milliseconds, thus making websites to load faster. If you don't want to use Google servers, there's a lot of others like OpenDNS and Cloudflare. Just search for their DNS address and then use that. With that being said, leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in my next video.